Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by choosing the exact clip and frame you want to follow. This is critical because the tracker uses that reference to lock movement. Once done, open the inspector and add the tracker or transform effect. Make sure you place the tracking point on high contrast detail so it can follow reliably. Also, reduce noise and trim extra frames beforehand, since a clean reference frame speeds tracking and reduces drift. Set the search area roughly half to twice the subject size to balance accuracy and performance. Now run the tracker forward and then backward. You want to see consistent keyframe placement across motion. If the subject rotates or changes size, enable rotate and scale so the tracker adapts. This prevents mismatch when perspective shifts. When you spot drift, pause and add a manual keyframe on a clear frame, correct the point, and resume. Doing this at trouble frames keeps the algorithm anchored. Make sure to skim the timeline after tracking to confirm there are no sudden jumps or misalignments. Finally, apply the track data to your title, mask, or effect and inspect the composition at full resolution to ensure alignment. Once satisfied, render a short segment to preview real-time movement. If you see jitter, increase smoothing or change keyframe interpolation to ease transitions. If the tracker fails mid-shot, split the clip and run separate tracks, or improve contrast and reduce motion blur before retrying. One helpful tip: when occlusion occurs, add manual keyframes at in and out points, then resume automated tracking for stability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.